Culture. What is it? Click the link below to open the notes and fill out as you view the slide deck and video. Be sure to make a copy first. Ask yourself these essential questions. What does it mean to belong? How do beliefs influence how we live? How does culture and cultural traits create a sense of belonging in our communities? In this slide deck, we will look at cultural traits and define them. You will have a better understanding of what elements make up a society. Culture is the language, religious beliefs, values, customs, and other ways of life shared by a group of people. Elements of culture include language, art and literature, religious beliefs, customs and traditions, social organizations, and institutions. Language is the spoken word of a people or culture in a region. Art and literature represents and expresses the culture of a region. Religious beliefs is a strong belief in a supernatural power or powers that control destiny. Customs and traditions are practices followed by the people of a particular cultural group. Social organizations are a pattern of relationships between and among individuals and social groups. Institutions include government, economy, education, and religion. Government is the governing body of a nation, state, or community. Economy is the wealth and resources of a country or region. Education is the process of giving or receiving instruction. Religion is a strong belief in a higher power. To wrap up, all of these elements contribute to making a society. Every human society has a culture. Every culture is unique. What elements of culture can you identify with?